In this video, I will work on this problem. This is a probability problem involving tree diagram. A bag contains 15 red marbles, 12 blue marbles, and 18 green marbles. We draw 2 marbles from the bag with replacement. So to work on this problem, let's first draw a tree diagram. In the first draw, we have 3 possibilities. They are red, blue, and green. Let's put down the probability for each possibility. We see the total number of marbles in the bag is 15 plus 12 plus 18, which is 45, and there are 15 red marbles. So the probability of getting red marble is 15 over 45. I am going to put that down here on the tree diagram. Next, there are 12 blue marbles, so the probability of getting blue marble is 12 over 45. We put that here. And there are 18 green marbles, so the probability of getting green is 18 over 45. We put that here. So we are done with the first draw. Now we will do the second draw. If the first draw was red, the second draw can be red, blue, and green. So let me draw that branch. Similarly, if the first draw was blue, we can again have red, blue, and green on the second draw. Same thing if we have green on the first draw. Now let's put down the probabilities for each possibility in the second draw. Since the ball is replaced back, the numbers of red, blue, and green marble stay the same, so the probabilities also stay the same. Let me put that down here. Now let's find the probabilities of these 3 events, X, Y, and Z. Event X says we get a red and a blue marble. So looking at the tree diagram, we have these 2 branches giving us red and blue. For the first branch, the probability is we are looking at this branch, 15 by 45 times 12 by 45. And for the other branch, we have 12 by 45 and 15 by 45. Now we just need to evaluate this, so we can just enter everything in a calculator. Now hit enter and we have this. So let me write that over here. Therefore, probability of x equals 0.1778. Now let's move on to the second problem here. So let me erase this out. For event y, it says red or a green marble. So this is the opposite of just blue. So probability of y equals 1 minus probability of no red or green. And probability of no red or green is simply blue and blue. To get blue and blue, we look at this branch, this one, and this one. So the probability is 12 over 45 times 12 over 45. Here we get now we just need to evaluate this. So let me show you how to get that in calculator. So therefore the probability of y equals 0.9289. Now let's work on the very last problem. Let me erase what I have on here. So the last event is red and red. We can look at this branch here, this one and this one. So therefore the probability of z equals 15 over 45 times 15 over 45. Now we just need to evaluate this. So this can be done in calculator. Therefore, probability of z equals 0.1111. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.